I never tell nobody, but that partially influenced my decision because I say, my mama say, grow up in a foodie household,
Yeah.
love food. So when me see that now the tropical rhythm, the thing, the ginger beer, everything what them did have later, me did
Anyway, welcome back to another episode of the Reason Being Podcast. And today we have, we don't even want to call her a throw because from what they be a TikTok share though. Nobody will laugh at that. I like you, okay? I like
no lie, no lie, no lie.
do a whole series on TikTok right now and I bring it to Instagram resume.
Mm-hmm.
Resume one of our disco stores over 60 meter. Big congrats on that, me not lie. Is
Thank you.
me, is me. Panam representative, is me. She make a podium at champs and no people that make podium. I don't make podium at all. I not tell no lie.
Just that.
So yeah, no judge, no judge. I dream, yo. That's what me miss out part. I not tell no lie, but
Some of you about
Adrienne
characters, and I
Adams.
say nothing.
You, you know make character?
No,
How come?
unfortunately, the year I think, but it come. I did my last year. I come second. She throw like
Mm.
577, me throw 576, and them never ring me.
Who was she? Who name she? She down name?
Kim want to read. Kim one?
Oh,
Yeah, Kim want to read. Yeah, and them
okay.
never bring the
Jaja.
doll.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Can't, can't let it go. Actually, you know what, you just take with the attention. That's why, That's
Real.
true.
Them never ready for the star shine. You know.
Yeah, true. You know. But anyway, Miss Adrienne. Yeah, like
Mhm.
the dollar, like you said, like the yen, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Adams, isn't it? So,
There. I go and live.
now I'm gonna take a serious deep breath, man. That not so good. That not so good at all. How would that breath that
There,
come from?
man. Take it a day at a time. You
Yeah,
know?
yeah.
That's
So,
how we can.
oh yeah,
We
yeah.
are take it a day at a time.
So you call it post collegiate or pro?
Post collegiate, we not really reach
The
the
pro,
pro works yet. But we're gonna
yeah.
say post collegiate.
So when you consider it a professional, when you consider it a professional,
Me consider myself professional when
eh?
oh see when well,
Alright,
well, me
because
call
I
it
know.
professional. Me call myself
Mm,
professional when me get to know one of them big meet. They like a Diamond League or make Commonwealth or one of them somebody, yeah.
yeah, yeah. Let me see what I say. Hold on, so you want to go Berlin door?
Oh no, we not do
No.
shot put.
Me know about you used to do hammer. Some of this
Oh we but honestly I don't know if it's a world indoor event. I think it's a
oh
USA indoor event, but I don't think it's a
but
world indoor thing. Yeah.
okay. Jaja. So carry back to the growing up. Adrian, talk to you about the household. Oh, stay. Which way come here? See, you come from Portmore, actual.
Portmore Pines. Anybody from Portmore Pines big up on himself. I don't know. Growing up, I'm gonna tell you, my household was very fun.
Mm.
Um, grew up with mommy, daddy, sister in the house.
No, brother.
No brother. One of brother them did do tracks. Them did go Bridgeport. Same did come up.
Oh, okay.
Um, other brother did move out from early. So I did really just me, my sister, mother, father.
Yeah.
Growing up never too bad. We are one family where love food, so I did always cookings,
Mm.
always vibes in
Mm.
the house day.
Because I'm wondering where you get the personality from. Because you're vibrant. You're vibrant.
Well, we don't know. What I say is a combination of the two of them. If well, my father mostly, cause I'm a one like a people person. I'm very
Mm.
vibrant,
Yeah.
love talk.
Yeah.
Love
A man.
socialize. So I
Yeah,
say I
mommy.
get it from my dad's side mostly, but it's a
Mm-hmm.
combination of the two for sure.
Okay. So what you feel like you look like? Your mother or father?
Boy, I don't know. The more I grow up, people say I look like my mother. When I did younger, I look like my father. So I
Mm,
guess the two of them, but me personally, I'm gonna say I look like my father. It could be.
your father. So is that this
Yeah.
girl in?
Yeah.
Yeah. Me know really. Me feel like say if he's a girl, if you grow with a father more, me not tell a lie. You see me
Agreed.
grow with daddy man, me not tell a lie man.
Agreed. Agreed. Agreed.
So you get into sports.
Boy, you want to say.
You're dramatic, you know?
Boy, my
Mm,
dear. Well, it started very funny. I never discus wasn't something I didn't know about. I did always know about the sprinting. Never did really know about discus until I
yeah.
started doing. Um, it all started one summer at Holy Child High School. I did go in for
Mm,
medical, and when I did younger, I did a little bit chunky.
yeah.
So do medical, medical you do like your blood pressure, you do your weight, you do your height, all them somebody.
Mm,
When I do my blood pressure test, it did high, so the nurse was like, no, 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 no. And she stopped everything, walked me
mm,
straight outside to the coach. And like she said, this is your new project. Yeah.
mm,
And that's how I started. And I think after that, that was like the Thursday or the Friday and the Monday.
mm.
The Monday right after. So nursery, anyway, you're there. If you see this, big up yourself. Because if I never for nursery, remember me I tell you,
Mm.
would know what I
You that
discussing.
you that old by then?
But then I going at 8th grade, so
Oh, you just a start man. You just reach a
13, I
school
moved
man.
on a turn, yeah,
Yeah.
very early.
Mm.
I have high blood pressure.
Man, tell you, you just go close to your deathbed man. Big up me street for real man. God damn.
Big arrow. Big arrow. I don't think after that, I don't think it was ever high again after that. Somebody just need to start exercise.
Yeah, yeah, true. So how you go for it if you start to do the discuss trading, guys? Me don't know about it. Me not tell you, I have no clue about it. None at all.
Well, me did think say me did I go. Me here throwing some meetings and me I go straight into throwing.
Yeah.
But me reach the Monday, them time yeah during the summer, so conditioning time. This man me have me a run laps round childhood like me a track star like me a sprinter. I was so pissed. I
Mm.
was so upset. Me go mama say me nah go back. Me nah go
Hold
back.
on,
But me I go do.
hold on. So the nurse never tell her mother said she gonna make her do sports. She just show you nights by herself.
Well, yes, my mother did that with me. So in talking to
Okay.
the coach, she a hear
Yeah.
all of this. She a hear all where
Okay.
I go. So she
All right.
did all for it. Cause my mother anything would deal with sickness, she not cater for. She could have booked her tour right now. Tomorrow she had that
Yeah.
doctor. So she stayed. So she
Stronger
was
than
never
me.
opposed.
Mm.
She was never opposed to the idea of me doing tracks. Nobody was. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I'm gonna start. Me here throwing. So me I say, alright, me I go throw something. Never know say running involved. So I'm gonna go and start running. I'm say if I this me, I gotta do me now, go back. But I think
Mm-mm.
from my young age I was very determined. I'm gonna like give up on things easily. So of course the
Yeah.
next day, yeah, I'll go back.
Yeah,
And
sure.
I kept
Yeah.
going back. Yeah.
True. So all right. Outside expectation, what is it like being a thrower? Because I feel like say, cause oh, me tell you how me see throwing. Me just see
Mm-hmm.
weights and just muscle and this bag of knives. How to make whole heap of knives. I be nice to make.
Honestly, boy, me, I never used to make noise. Not even know when I start do one little scream or get excited during competition or none of them something. I don't know when all of that start. But yeah, I never
Mm,
really make noise. But throwing is a lot more than just weights, as I say, spinning in the ring. Um,
Mm.
It's a lot of agility, it's a lot of explosion, explosive work. And what the next word there? Speed. Because you have to be very fast. You see,
Yeah.
we get 30 seconds
Fast.
to release that implement there. You never see a slow
Mm.
throw.
That's
And
true. That's
honestly,
true.
you ever see a throw like do plyometrics?
I feel like me see it couple times, yes. I feel like me see it. Me see you broke down the wall at Auburn. That not like player and a player that.
Right. I don't like
Is it
that. Why would me
and a
just
player down
jumping?
there?
Just jumping.
Okay, alright.
Like
I mean,
all the
but
jump.
you use your hand, me feel like that would have considered as player
Hmm.
for you. So I'm more, isn't me, hand
Well,
movement.
I see what you say. See what you say.
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm say
Because
I
me say
just
me no
mean the
know.
jumping business, jumping. We're very agile and explosive. So it's a lot more than just spinning.
Mm. So, alright, if you could compare to another sport, where that compare it to? Or not like, yeah, sports. So,
Honestly, I mean, I don't know
yeah.
if a lot of people get this, but would I really compare throwing to like a football workout?
Eh,
Like like the things them what
eh.
them do, them lift heavy,
Mm,
them do a lot of speed work, them do a lot of
yeah.
jumping. So I feel like they're similar. The movements is similar, but the workload what we do is very similar. I
Okay.
feel like. I don't
So,
know.
so, so, were you always like strong when you did that in high school?
No, I think the first time I ever even attempt for bench press at the bar alone, I think at the bar alone move. But me not tell no lie, me and my father, we used to
Mm,
like wrestle, like WWE wrestle. So I'd say
mm,
yes.
mm. Yeah.
Would
Okay.
I say
All
yes?
right.
If I ever see my father is
But not
a
like you know this.
dropped in one and tall and so
Eh,
the two of we are wrestling at the house, the things are mash up in there. But yeah.
problem in them, man. God, you probably raise your mother blood pressure.
For sure. For
Probably,
sure.
probably. So, when we get transfer go Excel, say,
Honestly, all of that was a joke. Like, but the day childhood, but it still
mm,
try I went to Excelsior to throw like my coach the day childhood, him did a leave childhood, but him never wanna leave me there. So
mm,
this was what 11th grade, so CXC time. So
yeah,
me used to have physics class and all of them something because C sec come up and girl have a pass.
the bright man,
So we have physics.
the bright
we
man.
have we have physics class and all of them something there. So afterwards, me used to go up at Excel, so I go through a little bit, but it did kind of get taxing. Somebody did say, "All right, I'm gonna stop this." But
Mm,
the champs that following year, I think that same year, I
yeah,
go and I see Miss Avacin at the stands, and Shanice Love, she was like my role model at the time.
yeah.
I'm gonna see the two of them. I'm gonna see them. I'm gonna say, some I come at Excelsior for six farm though. But I was joking. I was like, I had no intentions of going to Excelsior whatsoever. So I'm saying, some I
Yeah.
got Excelsior for six farm. And I'm saying, all right, come. So go home now. Tell my father,
Mm,
say, someone see me, someone tell me I come at six farm and then someone for come. And my father was
mm.
like, all right, go.
Just so.
And me go. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go.
I
I'm gonna
read.
never regret it.
Mm. So what Shanice did love so? Who should I win?
Honestly, no. It was just like our entire aura, our personality. I don't know. I just really
Mm,
admire her. And yeah, she did
yeah.
a throw far, and I did a. Them time they made
Uh,
that throw like 30 meter, and she had throw 52. So I'm like, wow, this girl is amazing. Yeah.
yeah. Not even know so she had show 52 in high school. Yeah, tell me. I never did know about
Yes,
that.
I think. I think her last year she ended up throwing 54. She signed at 54 or something like
Yeah.
that. I think she
Chacha.
had the under 20
Probably.
record for a very long time until Stargirl Cedrica come broke it.
Yeah. Yeah. She had different beast boys, I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Different beast boy.
Right.
Chacha. So alright,
Different.
Excelsior. We have to talk about it a little bit. Because you see with Excelsior, what I call like when I like some sleeping giant, you wanna have athletes here and there and here and there and here and there and here and there. But nobody not really talk about Excelsior. But I understand
True.
why. Like, we don't have
Yes,
athletes here and there.
I don't know why either. I mean, we're eagles. Eagles are known for soaring, I
True,
guess. So, wow, no would watch the eagle them, you know? Because
true,
funny day,
true.
waga soar.
Yeah.
But
I feel
no, I
you,
feel
man.
like I don't know, but the coaches at Excelsior, I feel like them can pick up on raw talent. I don't know.
Mm,
I don't know. Like you'll see somebody around, just for example, say them around 20 seconds in a what you can call that. 20 seconds in
200,
a one.
200.
Give me yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. 20 seconds in a 200. And come
Mm,
work with them and them drop to like 19, you know?
yeah.
Like I feel like them will take somebody from here and work with them and just see them slowly elevate. So. Cause that's kind of what happened with me. Cause I got Excelsior through what 38 meters. What 38 meters I gonna do for nobody?
Can't do a thing.
And it was so
Yeah.
funny because I remember in class three, you know, say them time there were me I like what 15.
Yeah.
And I did that throw. Them time I don't know throw. I don't know nothing about throwing. I think it was either my first or second time throwing in a competition.
Mm,
And my throw was like 22 meters and Mr. Vassy did that officiate the meet. And him said to
mm.
my coach, like him I say, I like that girl there, you know, come, send her, come, give me her, you know? Like, when she come like say, so I knew for a long time. Like, him see something
No
when me couldn't
notice.
see. Yeah.
Yeah. So what you feel like you see?
Him see a star.
Yo. Yo, man. Yo, you're right. You're right. You're right. No, 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 not gonna say it, you know. No, not gonna say it.
Real,
So you're right. You're
real.
right.
Him see
You're
a
right.
star,
You're
man.
right.
I don't know. I felt like there
Mm,
was some things that I was doing, like say for instance, I did have a fast right hand or some truth all the time, like a fast right hand, like a left
yeah.
arm block me that turned my right foot. It was something technical that he saw that I just didn't know I was doing well at the time.
Yeah. Somewhere just come natural to you. You know, if you coach it, you just want
Mm-hmm.
to clean up certain things.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure.
Yeah. So you think him change the most then? Because if you say, oh, him see like the raw talent and it's a star did it, but oh, he make his star shine so far. So bright if you say.
Why I don't know enough. I don't know.
Yo,
But
you're
go
dramatic,
excel.
you know, brother.
Yeah.
You're dramatic, you're afraid, yo. You're dramatic, you're afraid. You're
I hear it
dramatic.
all the time. But I don't I would say I'm a dramatic. I don't know. But go excel say I'm start lift weights, I'm start try the other techniques. Because I think when him see me, I did just a stand through.
Mm,
Um, then I think when I go Excel say I did start owning pan technique. So when I reach Excel say I start full through. And it was
mm.
crazy because my first meet at Excel say, the development meet, Wesley Powell, the
Yeah,
development
yeah.
meet. Was used to have a thing where throwers could have just stand through or half turn.
Mm,
I'm a stand through. Remember, go Excelsior at through 38.55 because that was my sit out class one.
yeah.
Well, my sit out my last year at class two. So that was from my
Mm-hmm.
first year at class two.
Yeah.
38.55. Everyone was I'm stand through 40 meters.
Eh.
So I
No
say,
speed, no speed, nothing.
Wallah. I say, Wallah. I don't know. Like, I really don't know how to explain it, how to describe it, but he has a really good work ethic.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, but you have
So
to
if
match
one
it too.
part thing, huh?
You have to match it too. You have a real
True.
ticket. Yeah.
But as I tell you from early, me not like give up on things.
It's
Born
about you.
fighter, like that she say,
But like,
try. Love try.
you have a
Love
license
try.
gun. You're not afraid. Yo. All right. So champs now.
Mm.
Yeah. Yep. Not
First
even
year or
champs.
the
We need to want to
second
talk about champs.
year.
Hold on. No, hold on. We need to want to talk about champs. Go talk about going up to champs. How you feel in a uniform?
Me I try remember, 2019 far a long time, that's
Girl, me left high school
I did
2015.
long time
Get the hell
ago.
out of my face. What are you talking about?
Well, the first year champs are the second year champs. Cause
First year.
the first year, we can describe the first year. I think for the first year, I knew that I had another year. Somebody just want experience, go in and do what I can. At that point in time, I never knew my capabilities yet.
Mm,
Cause me that I'm going to champs
yeah,
at like 42, maybe. Yeah,
yeah. I think I'm
yeah.
44, me see.
Honestly, I think I threw 44 at the all comers meet them
Oh,
afterwards.
oh, yeah.
Yes,
Oh, sorry. I'm
after
looking for your
champ.
road analytics and that them a show me on your road analytics.
Yeah, the 44 did come after champs. I don't even remember when we did show at the champs day. But at that point, we did just go and have fun.
Yeah.
Just go and experience. Last year, no, we did the on the line.
Comic. Comic.
Because at that point, chase scholarship, chase
True.
all of the teams them where you want to make. All of
So
that.
where did
And
you
funny
where did you
enough,
want to make?
I did want to make Carifta, I did want to go Pens, I did want to go, what was the other meet? Panams. I
Mm.
did Panams that day? Yeah, Panams. And funny enough, at that point in time, Mr. Vasi did move Ghana, India. So the
Eh?
coach I had then was Kanija Rayner, who was also coaching KC at the time.
Oh.
So yes. But Kanija is Mr. Vasil's son-in-law. So they're very similar
Yeah.
when it comes down to coaching. Kanija probably did a little bit harder. But yeah. But last year, chase scholarship, chase teams, chase throwing far.
Everything.
You want to throw far.
Yeah.
So going into champs, I did determined for win. I did really want to win.
Yeah.
But the dog never win. The
What
dog
happened?
never win. Come
What happened to the
second.
Delhi? What happened to the Delhi? What happened?
Honestly, I did go on. My foot did tape up. I know some needed tape up. Needed
Mm.
that bother me. So I did just go in and I say, is either me I go play it safe with the knee or me I go mash up the knee. But either way, me I go make it pan the podium.
Yeah. So
Just a different
tough.
level of determination.
That one that is tough. The one that would be tough, me not lie. That one
Mm-hmm.
that tough. Yeah. That
You
one
need
that tough.
them.
Yeah, and you need them, man. Cause you know, so they're
Yeah.
expensive though. Me
Very
expensive, you know. Very,
bad.
very. Mm-mm.
Bad.
Yeah, you couldn't even. You probably wouldn't. You can't fly upon plane comfortable. Come here, say hot you. Yeah,
Yeah, because
yeah.
being in a bent position for such a long time, of course.
Oh my gosh, boy. Cha. So alright, let me ask you, where you look? Which school do you want to go? Cause you say you love Shanice, you know, man, and Shanice was an
Exactly. We did
FSU
one guy
girl.
FSU. Ready
Okay.
to say I really wanted to go to FSU.
Mm,
FSU was on my cards,
mm,
but I think when I went to Penn's, all the colleges coaches were there.
yeah,
Think I talked to like Clemson. I talked to South Carolina. Did talk to FSU, but you could have tell say never did really interested.
yeah.
Because I won pens, surprisingly.
Remember.
Because me never did expect that for happen.
How come?
Never, you know what cool? From them time.
But yeah, tell me say
From
determined I
them
have
time.
tempo cool.
Well, I know, we get the story first. Now, we get the
Mm,
story first. So, got pens. Vasa surprised me at pens. So me in my room, I get ready for pens, and I just hear Adrienne Adams. So I say, wait, who that?
Eh,
Come here, say, what's not there in there? Who that? Open
eh,
the door and a vessel. So you know, say my glad bag bust everything, cause when I say what vessel there, my apple, you know?
eh.
God the competition. You know what cool?
Yeah, man, the cool man. The cool
Could
man. The cool.
get
The cool.
warm. And them time they did overcast, so like no little sun, no little nothing.
Yeah.
I think my first throw was like 36. Second throw was like 38. Last throw was like 39. Some fight, but
Yeah, and
it
then I
did
click.
enough for make finals.
Yeah.
But in my head, me I said, no man, it cool. From them time, I know some could have gone no cool school. Cause it would work out.
Why no nice?
I could have tell.
Yeah.
But yeah, did freeze, could have throw or execute the way I wanted to because they just cool. I could have get warm. Then that little break that we would get when they do the reordering for finals now.
Mm.
The sun come out for like 2 minutes.
Yeah.
My John, everything I could have find. Every jacket, every sweatpants, I just try to get warm.
Eh.
Use the sun to my advantage. So you see, I was the first person throwing, so you know say it bad because the American them a beat me. Sorry to all
Yeah.
Americans who have watched it.
Oh
But
no, no sorry to them. No, no sorry to them. You're right. You're right.
all the American them that beat me. So I was the first one to throw. So I say, alright, I guess as warm as I can and I go in the ring and try. If you know Vassal them time, the Vassal had done me.
Yeah.
I was like, he must say, this make me left India come what? Well, go in the ring and I know I literally gave it all I could with a little warmness for me did have. Boom,
Yeah.
40-91, another show they win.
Mm-hmm. So we watch
So I
them.
did them yard.
So you know can come
You know,
over
they were with all of my other
trophies and thing.
medal them from high
So
school,
come to
yeah.
them the back of you. Them they not go to Jamaica. Them,
Um, them
eh.
over there, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, them the what they saw.
Them over there, sir. Yeah. Them will go home soon. Them will go home soon.
Ah, ah.
Remember, so we just done, we're still fresh.
Me know man, but actually me know you have more forgetting us. So me I say you have a clear place
Yeah.
forget, isn't me? You
Real.
can't paint over painting see me. You have to get a brand new canvas and those, isn't me?
So if you say that now, why would I bring the watch come a foreign?
Me tell you no man. Let me tell you something. I go to school, me not really learn no. You see me, me not really learn. And that I thing, you see me, me not really learn. But you're right, man.
Just,
You're right. You're right, man.
Mr.
So,
Percy.
mm. Oh, go through, go
Oh,
through.
me that say me as a person every chapter of life restart. So
Yeah,
achieving a high school, yes, but that done can't bring high school achievement come a college.
that's true still. But pens are different
Clean
things still.
slate.
But pens are different. Let me tell you, pens.
True,
Two things. Let me
true,
tell you two things miss
true.
out on the life. Me did want a chance medal. Me never get a chance medal.
Sure.
Me get the pens watch long after that. I went time me turn pro. Me get a pens watch.
Oh,
Yeah, so me get one too, but I don't like full noon because me I hear say you watch it ban and I see him ban. I like an elastic ban.
uh,
Yeah, so I don't really like you pins watch them.
yeah.
And like you, me tell him, me never did too want me carve top team, me want the bag. I bag with him. But you want the
Oh,
team I
that
want
really
if he bag.
just bag.
He bag them tough. Me remember I bag them. Bag them tough, yo. If you
Boy,
want bag them, then it bad man. Then it bad.
real.
Then it
I
bad.
think, do I have, I don't even remember.
I just
But I
that me probably have it. What suitcase you have?
do. Two, two,
Two?
two. I think two and a duffel bag.
Yeah, nice.
I don't
Nice.
remember. I
Yeah.
honestly don't remember.
And
My brain recycle
ah, yeah. And them I that me care about, the gears,
back then
Yeah.
and the
And the
years.
gears. And the gears. You see me? Like your team nice and
Well,
all, but
true.
yeah, gears,
I
brother.
mean,
Like
I did one my own games. I had friends that made teams, and them would give me games, but me do one my own.
yeah, it different man. It different.
Different when you
It
have your
different.
own.
Yeah. So why you choose UCF?
Well, chose UCF one because the coach was Jamaican. When we talk,
I know that.
I was Coach
Oh,
Page. In there, Purdue right now. Yeah.
oh I'm there.
Yes, Troy's coach.
Oh yeah. Me know. Oh,
Yeah.
me never know
He
say he
was
call
at
a Purdue.
he was at UCF first. And I don't know, in talking to him, like, we just got along. I could have feel the vibes. I'm gonna say, alright. And they recruited me out of pens. If they were willing to take me with my 48.91.
Okay. Yeah.
Nobody else was.
Yeah. See what you say.
Nobody else was. So that decision was almost easy because
Yeah.
so the star go off
Yeah.
after that.
I know one. I know one. I know one.
Star
So
go
you take
off.
a visit or you just say, yo, I eat this.
No, never visit, never nothing. I took none of my visits.
Why not?
I don't. Well, I never did really have much I work with my 48.91.
It don't matter. It don't matter.
No, like I literally did not have any visit offers, anything like that. I'm just say, yo, me come at
Mm.
UCF.
Yeah. I'll shut it
So
down.
what happened
Record after
was,
record after record.
never did really get no record still.
You never get a record? Auburn record card
For
them?
high
No, me get.
school? Oh, you're
No, man,
talking
me a talk about when I got
UCF
you. Yeah, yeah,
record.
no, yeah, yeah,
Oh
yeah,
gosh.
yeah.
Oh gosh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes.
You murder that over there, man. You kill everybody, man. Everybody dead, man.
So I stay, I like shot the crowd.
Yeah. So, you safe stay. Come never go down there. I don't know your campus look like or nothing.
UCF was gorgeous. Just
Mm.
think, just think Miami, but less
Mm.
skyscraper.
Oh,
Less city.
yeah. Okay.
So yeah, it did have one little Miami vibe, but
But
lesser
without it.
everything.
Yeah, yeah. So,
Yeah.
how price stay out there? Like, it cheap, it expensive?
In a 2019, it did start out okay, but you see, as the years progress,
Yeah, rough.
get rough. My first year, $100 could have buy my groceries for the month.
Mm.
I'm cool. After that, 2 weeks max.
But hold on.
Two weeks max.
We are buy Angela can't none.
Them
Angela
time they could.
Angela can't none. Never
Them
ever.
time they could. Me I
1 month
tell
of
you.
groceries with $100.
Them time they could.
Come
Well,
on.
we never did go straight Walmart. We did have one little produce store, and then some did get like my yam and my green banana and all of them
Oh,
stuff. So me
okay.
did, yeah.
Yeah, miss what you say.
Plus,
Miss
me
what you
have
say.
a Jamaican roommate, so
Yeah,
some
it's
things like
stretch.
meat and them some they could have split.
Yeah, okay. Miss what
Yeah,
you say.
yeah.
Miss
I
what you
saw, I saw, I
Yeah,
saw we
yeah,
did run it. So $100 coulda last.
yeah.
I don't know
So I
what
want to
going
start
after
get rough
that.
then.
Boy, right after COVID.
Yeah, man.
After COVID, I don't know what going.
Yeah, man. Everything get rough,
But
man.
everything just skyrocket.
Yeah. But you skyrocket too. You you somebody that's gonna complain about skyrocket. Cause you what you think one? Man, no matter with that, man. Star belong in a sky for a reason, you know.
Real.
Yeah, for real.
Real.
Mm. So what changed? What changed for you? Just start blew up so yo, or just get so bright and fi say sorry.
I don't know, faith in a God.
So after faith in your coach.
Well, yeah. Well, at that point in time, because patient leave during COVID,
My
yeah,
gosh.
they leave during
Jaja.
COVID. So I never have a coach till about November.
Eh?
And he was a Maltese coach. So not
Uh
100% chores, but him could have coached chores.
yeah, yeah.
You know
But
that
not
the
to what
first
you
year,
want.
yeah, yeah, side eye him a little bit because too know what to expect.
Yeah.
So in that time, honestly, everything that I did, every throw, every lift, they'd always run it by a vessel because me need a second opinion.
Mm.
Need a second
Mm.
opinion because you just
Yeah.
never know what to expect. Me never know if me I do the right things. None of
Yeah.
that. So
Yeah.
always get a Mr. Vassal, Kanija always up on speed dial. Any little question, any little inquiry, me I
Yeah.
call him. Me I text
Yeah. If
them. Me have a group
I put him on a
group chat
conference
with
call,
them.
okay,
Eh?
that, yeah, yeah.
Group
That,
chat,
that
yeah.
as
Have
well.
a group chat with
Yeah.
them. Yeah.
Mm. Channel boy. I
So
hope you coach the year about this car. This not sound safe at all.
and I'm gonna see.
Well, who finally not understand? Who finally understand?
He might
Who finally not
understand.
understand?
He had me for 3 years and he was from Canada, so he was international. So he
Oh,
used to always tell me same did have Jamaican friends and like love
yeah.
curry goat and all them look something. So
Typical, typical,
typical.
typical, typical. Oh. Everybody just wanna be friends with us, man. Like, oh my god, why? Why?
Because we're all stars.
Listen, man a star, no. You a star. Is it me? Man a star. Yeah, a star.
What do you mean?
Me,
You have a whole podcast. That is star behavior enough.
no. Listen. This cannot survive without the star. You are the energy source, you know. Is it me? You are the energy source. Is it me? I'm like
Real.
Earth. Is it me? I am like a sun. Without you, me
Both.
cool up. Me cool up. You see me? Me cool up. I just saw the thing set, yo. It don't
That did
matter.
bad.
Is it me? Yeah.
That did bad. That bad. That bad.
Yeah, yeah, man.
That bad.
I must say we don't sing about we have little words, isn't it? I joke. But yeah, man. So basically, I've asked me that coach you why that you see if you say or not really.
And so let me get to that
It's a
problem.
tough
But
one.
you could, yeah, it
Yeah,
is a tough
it's
one.
a tough one.
I had a lot of
Yeah,
help. I had a lot of assistance. Yes.
yeah. Okay, so you know feel like say yo you could have talked to like the head coach and say yo I don't feel like he's
I
focusing too much on like the.
I could have, but the conversation that
Mhm.
did come when we going to portal when I was going to go into the portal.
So why you decide to leave because of that or because you graduate?
Not 100% that. Um, not 100% that because I did get to 57 meters and entire program. So grateful for that. But
Mhm.
I don't know. Got the opportunity to do my masters. Auburn, not Auburn. Why may I say Auburn? Auburn, I come too soon. UCF didn't. UCF didn't have a degree that I wanted to do, so I wanted to
Which
go
was
into
what?
occupational therapy.
Mm.
Wanted to go into occupational therapy. Decided that I was only going to visit schools that had occupational therapy. Um, yeah, that was my main reason for leaving.
So
But
what? Hold on. What is occupational therapy?
occupational therapy is like a holistic approach to rehabilitation. So you can think physical therapy, but instead of
Mm.
just making an injury better, we work more with individuals with disabilities or a stroke patient or somebody
Oh,
clip out ligament in a them finger and it no function the same,
yeah.
help them get back to
Oh.
normality. So occupational therapists will help individuals in just like daily aspects of life.
Wait, so how you get into that? Which where in life led into that?
Honestly, my junior-ish going into senior year because it was always
Mm.
physical therapy for me, and then I did an internship with an institution called the Conductive Education Center of Orlando. So I worked with individuals with CP, cerebral palsy, and I
Mhm.
don't know, I just like fell in love with everything that they were doing, especially individuals that don't necessarily have independence, but to help them gain independence. So while we were there, we helped them like hang a simple shirt pan a hanger, help them fold them
Oh,
top, help them put on them shirt, help them walk, like things like that. And it was very,
yeah.
it was inspiring, and I wanted to continue that.
Oh, wow.
And I
That's
also
amazing.
didn't like me and chemistry never get along at all, and I needed chemistry for physical therapy. I must say, you
Yeah,
know what, me I got to my next best bet, and that was occupational therapy because I did not need chemistry.
yeah. I'm see what you're
So
saying.
yeah, I was supposed to graduate that spring. I take up more courses, extend it to December.
Mm.
All because I wanted to go into occupational therapy.
I mean,
Yes.
I would say all because I want to get more money, but I understand. I understand. I would say,
See,
yeah,
we not even did care about the money.
yeah.
Really did not care.
That's rare. Rarely me hear like athletes that say they want to do like occupational therapy. It's more like what I say no massage therapists
Yeah.
or like the
Yeah.
like in terms of like health and whatnot.
Mm-hmm.
That's interesting.
Yeah, I really wanted to do a lot more.
Yeah.
Um, yeah.
So you want what? Hold on. Side question. You want to work locally or abroad? When I say abroad, abroad as in Jamaica.
No,
Yeah.
no is anywhere the money resides. But to be honest, there aren't many occupational therapists back home.
Mm,
So I
yeah.
would not mind moving back to
Yeah.
Jamaica. I miss me yard bad, I
Yeah.
miss the food, I miss the drinks, I miss my family, I miss everything.
Yeah. True.
One man just tell me to hang up that camera.
Bad man, I live out in here. I love some chips, man, girl. That's cool, man. I love
You
some
see?
chips.
Bad mind is one thing, but you see when you provoke the bad mind, that is something different.
Nah, bro, listen. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I
Me
need a
talk about
snack.
me talk about Jamaica all of a sudden you gonna take up a St. Mary's
So,
banana chip.
some video take. I'm gonna take off my shirt. I'm gonna take off my shirt too.
Shirt and food are two different things.
Nah, man, I same thing, man. I'm gonna die that, man. I'm gonna die that. But so you say, you're the chaperone for other universities, and Auburn was like interested in paying for it, or just you just like
Yeah.
the combination of pro.
That is the funny thing. So Auburn reached out, had no intentions of visiting because they do not have occupational therapy.
Mm-hmm.
They do not. So I was like,
Mm-hmm.
okay, because I visit Baylor, I visit UNLV, every school where I could have taken. I'll take that statement, did want to come visit, but at one
You know, I'm
point, wait,
not
we're
thinking
gonna
of
get
that
there.
either. Sorry,
We're gonna get
sorry.
there. We're gonna get there. So, and it was so funny because I didn't even see the message because Coach Ken recruited me, Ken Harnden. Um,
Mm.
if you think Auburn hurdles, just know say a Coach Ken. Big up yourself.
Yeah, yeah.
Um, big up himself. So Coach Ken recruited me. Not even the throws coach. Coach Ken recruited me. And I
Mm.
did not see his message.
For how long?
I really don't know how long it was, but I did not see his message. Shante Foreman messaged me and say, Coach Ken say, check your DMs.
Eh.
And that's how I saw the message because we didn't follow each other.
Oh, so going at the
So
other.
it was in my request. Me not check
Yeah,
them there.
yeah. Me know
So
them
me
way them
never
going.
see it. So
Star. We
anyway,
know the them thing there.
and I say when things for at me, that always work out how it's supposed to, you know?
True, true,
So
true.
end up to the message, get in contact with him. Him say it to the throws coach. Throws coach was interested. Come out pan a visit. I'm telling you, some
Mm.
come pan the visit. Them did have everything layout. Like them did just make it seem like they were very excited to have me. Like they really wanted me.
Yeah.
Me know I said the people them did want me because I did me and Daniel Sole. The two of we come pan the visit together.
Yeah, me see the video. See the video now, dance now too. See the video.
Ah, top 10 visit. I swear, top 10 visit. We did have a lunch. the Friday. You know the people them get for lunch? Rice and peas.
Yeah. Something
Hear me?
Jamaican. Yeah.
Curry chicken, jerk chicken, everything. I want to tell you say it was the best tasting Jamaican food I have ever had in the States. Not even Golden Cross could have compared.
Mm.
Mommy's kitchen big up enough. The best, the best. Cause even now it's like 30 minutes away from Auburn, and must still take the thirty
Make
minute
it drive.
drive just to get food. Come back. I'm
Cha-cha.
gonna tell everybody we know. Everybody will want Jamaican food. Must say drive go to Mommy's,
Yeah.
cause it's good.
Yeah.
I never tell nobody, but that partially influenced my decision. Cause me I say, my mama say, grow up in a foodie also,
Yeah.
love food. So when me see that now the tropical rhythm, the thing, the ginger beer, everything what them did have later, I was already
Sweets.
bought. Love sweets, love
Sweets.
niceness.
Sweets.
And I was like, yeah. And honestly, Auburn just felt like home.
Yeah.
From the staff, not even track staff, the person I spoke to, the dean of kinesiology,
Yeah.
everybody want me talk. Because even though they didn't have occupational therapy, I looked into something that was quite similar, close enough, but not really. So I
Mhm.
ended up doing biomechanics.
Oh my God. Okay.
Ended up doing biomechanics. So
What is that?
why I want to come back on my brain? Biomechanics is basically or your joints function or your muscle them function. I can't think PT
Mm.
to be honest. All
Okay.
them so we had a lot of people that wanted to go into physical therapy. A lot of people
Mm.
that wanted to go into what them some of the name the when somebody lose them foot and you give them the little machine for
What?
wear. I can't remember. Or or
Yeah.
or statics, something. I don't
Yeah.
remember.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Prosthetics, yes,
Mm-hmm.
that. So I had a lot of those people.
Mm.
So I ended up doing biomechanics, yes.
Okay.
So understanding
And
how
it,
the muscles function or the joints function. Basically how the body functions on a whole.
so me ask you a question. You feel like say that's why you start throw different because or throw better because you start understand the body differently.
Yes, yes, 100% yes. A
Mm.
hundred percent, yes. I did. I remember even because we had to do a lot of presentations about body mechanics and all of those things, and I always did it on throwing. And my teacher was always impressed because everybody else are like strength conditioning, so them do a little lift.
Yeah.
That I always focus on this because like even the freshman, I did use as my final project just for like help her get her strength shows better. Like
Yeah.
exercise do all of them some days. So it was I really enjoyed that degree, enjoyed learning because that also helped me
Yeah.
my journey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That tough. That tough. That correlate like
Mm-hmm.
that tough. That tough. Yeah. That
So that's
tough.
why
Me
I'm
not
gonna say
lie. That
when
tough. Come here.
things for workouts like I always work out and work out well
True.
at that. Yeah.
True. True. True.
So
So you
yeah,
give
ended
up
up choosing
one.
huh?
You give up one and gain two, basically.
Real. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Give up one and gain two.
But
That's
honestly,
nice.
it was still along the lines of rehabilitation. So I wasn't really opposed to doing it. It wasn't occupational therapy, but I still
Yeah.
gained valuable
Yeah. Yeah.
information
Yeah.
from that.
That's nice. Dang. Dang. So let me ask you a question. Just like nerd out a little bit. You feel like say not necessarily like coaching, but like you feel like say you can see something wrong in like other people know from that perspective.
Even somebody walking, them whole gait, like biomechanics change my view on everything. Like me will see somebody I walk and them chest a
Mm-hmm.
little like they forward a little bit. I'm like, oh that person has a pelvic tilt. So
Dang.
exactly yeah. So
Eh,
we don't know. I just saw my brain work now.
that's crazy, yo. Me no want to walk around in it. Me can't want to see where I go do. I've been doing it. Yeah, I want to say something, yo. Yeah, I want to say something, because, yo, I'm want base for my mood. You see me? And if you go see me on a lot of line. Because we see me happy, me a bunks. We see me sad,
Bugs.
you see me, me
Drop a
stroll
pull of
over.
them
Me,
on the side.
yeah, and then
Nah.
someday, and if you see me on a bad day, I say, oh my God, like, I don't know, like, I don't know what I say, but
Yeah.
you see me? So, good
I'm
to
not
know,
you
my
know, I'm
brother.
not really judge nobody what because my foot them knock up like a minimum for.
Yeah, me did see that. Me never did want to talk about it, but me never, never did want to talk about it. Let me ask you that question. Let me ask you that question. Why worse didn't you ever get pan, but basically you're not need them?
I don't say me never get no nickname for me surprisingly.
Yeah,
Them just used to say you need them knock up in a girl.
nobody not say a
That's
gas
really
fire or nothing like that.
a lie me I tell. A lie me I tell. Them used to say you need them. I say if you lick me, I lick you.
Yo, you need them knock for
But you
real,
see,
yo. Mm,
that's why you have to have confidence in yourself. Because if me did follow people,
mm. True,
will like
true.
myself. But honestly, I grew up in a household where they were very truthful.
Yeah,
If you can survive in my house,
yeah.
you survive in a life.
That's something to ask you if you have brother,
Nobody
because
can bring you down for true.
that's something to ask if you have brother, because you see, oh, you're confident, brother. No knock to sisters, you know. You just have a confidence. You come like say you get, yeah. Them a jeer, them a bully in your house. You see me? I saw your move, yo. Big man thing. Saw your move.
I say love them, but most of the bullying come from the parents.
Mm-mm. All the better. All the better. All the
But I
better.
do have brothers. I have two older brothers.
Yeah, remember you
But
say it, man.
I didn't I never did really get to grow up with them because they were a lot older. One leave for college when me are like 5. The
Oh,
other one move out from early. He was always close by,
yeah.
but
Never like,
him
yeah,
never in the household like that.
yeah, yeah. So,
I also have a younger brother too, but the younger brother them.
yeah,
Alright.
yeah. Not the way it is. Not the way it is. So, Auburn now. Firstly,
Auburn.
talk to me about the training. Because let me tell you,
Ah
listen, what I notice is that,
ah
no, your coach look like in love it. Imposing as more than imposing himself. Oh my gosh.
honestly we forced him to start like posting himself and
Really?
give like get our own like Instagram for himself because he did not have one. It was always
Oh,
just Auburn throws. I would say, boss, you star, make a little Instagram page, talk to the people. Them the
yeah.
people love you, so why not?
Yeah.
But the training in Auburn, my first 3 months at Auburn, my ball every morning I
Mm.
got the weight room. Every
Gotcha.
morning. It was hard. And if somebody tell us say it never hard, it did hard. We did have a strength coach named Coach Tyler, Coach T.
Mm.
That
Mm.
man never partial through us. Lifts were like 2 hours long, 4 days a week. In the fall, I did almost
Shit.
like every day, pretty much every day. Not
Mm.
lifting every day, but like Monday, Tuesday was lifting. Wednesday was like CrossFit. So I'm tell you say, on a Wednesday when workouts done, you have a trash can in every corner. You had a
Yeah.
throw at every corner, throwing up. It was bad. It was
Yeah.
bad because if you ever watch somebody doing CrossFit, it is not easy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well,
I think I
basically, I
think
do.
CrossFitters I think CrossFitters are suicidal. Suicidal. It's the most insane thing I've ever seen. It's it's bad. It's bad.
So we had
Yeah.
something similar to that, but tailored for throws. And honestly,
Yeah.
I only got to do it once, and one time was enough because when we go back to school, we'd end up catch COVID. Me know how me catch COVID, so me did out. And then I went home that summer, so I wasn't here during that summer period to do all of that. I did some at home, but it The Wednesdays never did really come
Yeah.
in until later on. I
Yeah.
remember me
Yeah.
telling you, grateful for that man because I see a different version of myself
In
when
what
it
way?
comes on when it comes on to weight room. Because
Mm.
like we had a group chat and we used to have to send each other motivational like quotes on a Wednesday morning just to be ready. Forget
Oh
woman
my gosh.
ready. It was hard. Like it took a lot. It really took a
Mm.
lot. And that did teach me how to take care of myself because training room never missed me. Any
Mm.
little thing. Flush,
Yeah.
release,
Yeah.
massage, cupping, needling, everything. Contrast bath, everything. So it really taught me one, how to take care of myself, two, how to push myself, three, when you're dead, you're not really a dead because you're still breathing.
True. 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 True.
So
True.
it was a lot, but it was very needed. It was very
Yeah.
needed.
So which what you like more? The indoor season? I understand you don't really do discuss indoor or whatnot,
Yeah.
but like you like the indoor season at all?
I really grew to liking
Mm.
indoors. Like by the end of my Auburn career, I was in love with the way through. So
Mm.
back forward, back. What am I just
Back
say a while
forward.
ago?
Back forward. Back forward. No, me I forgot. What is the word? Rewind. I
Maybe
guess there you
like
go. Rewind.
well, me I say what back I back something, but me can't. Anyways, rewind.
Yeah, yeah.
Go back to
Rewind.
UCS.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So I had two injuries during my time at UCS. Two of them come from
Mm.
weight throw. First one was my
What poor
knee.
from?
Yes, very poor form.
Mm.
So first one was my knee. It did kind of slip out, end up mash up some cartilage, have some loose bodies. Did surgery in the heights of COVID, got that better.
Did
So
you?
during COVID, I was actually going through rehab to come back.
Oh wow.
I had a few weeks of rehab. Um, After that, new coach, train, back injury. So even right now, I have four bulging discs in my lower back.
What?
A lot of people don't know because I really don't talk about like injuries and all that
Yeah.
stuff. I really don't. So
That's
four
why they get hurt,
bulging discs.
man. Mm.
So during that time, they are trying to figure out things. I tried through a farm, but still did a battle injuries because even going into Panams, because I remember doing Panams 2023, six
Yeah.
weeks before that, I had the back injury flare. Did in a crutches, couldn't really walk. It was awful. I'm still got Panams because I already
Yeah.
had
Made
agreed
the
to go. So I
final.
said, all right, me have to figure this out. It's me I go come back and me I go and me I go do what I can with what I have. Yeah. But
Yeah.
had those injuries. I forget what me did that talk about. How we that talk about?
Um, go back. You talk about say you get hurt.
Oh, weight throw, yes.
Why me a laugh?
So
We throw. Yes, there we go. Yeah.
because I had such poor form, I tell them said I'm done with weight, I'm not do it. I threw 17, I think it was 1768 at the
Mm.
time, from a freshman year in a weight.
Yeah.
Couldn't figure it out after that. I think after that alone, me either throw 14 or me foul. That's how it was.
Mm.
So I said, it no work the injury, I want to
Yeah.
focus on discuss. Because even discuss, the rotation itself affected my back. Back did always hurt
Yeah.
me. So I said, me I go
Yeah.
louder one day because that I had too much stress on top of the stress I already have on my back.
Yeah.
So I said,
Yeah.
discuss alone, done with weight. Reach at Auburn. Coach Ibaga looked at me and said, I'm going to make you into a weight thrower. So I was like, why?
No.
But when I tell you that man and Technique is best friends, because between all that we were doing in the gym, strengthening my back, strengthening my core, to how he coached the weight, my end my indoor career with what 21:47, and that was like just
Yeah,
it
off of the
is
strip.
mind blowing. Everybody I say, "How you do that?" Me no know how me do it. But just know say it happen.
Yeah, yeah,
Me just know say it happen because it was weight was never in my frame of mind at
yeah.
all.
Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why. Cause you're not pre as I say or whatever.
Yeah, true.
Yeah,
But
maybe that's why.
him see me, him say you look like a weight thrower. We are gonna turn in now a weight thrower, and so said, so done.
Mm-mm.
Weight thrower. So I really grew to love weight
Indoor.
indoor.
Let me show you your vibes. I know say realize say you never did want to take the risk on your body at champs. But forgot Panams, you take the risk. Why that the risk there?
Well,
And the same
well,
and
well, well, well. Me take the risk, but
mm,
me set up myself to be able to take the risk. Yeah, that makes sense. So me
yeah, me
never miss
understand it.
Ria.
Because
Never
okay.
miss like me literally work myself back to being able to compete. Cause even
Okay.
traveling, it was like an 8 hour flight and we did have to sit down pan and that was taxing enough.
Yeah.
So yeah, me
Mm,
literally got to work, got
mm,
to work. And I had 6 weeks to do it and make it happen in 6 weeks.
yeah.
But
Now put your mind to
UCF,
something and you can do anything,
we
man.
had a really good athletic trainer at UCF. So me and him
Yeah.
work together.
I th- because when you remember Kayla Harris, the hurdler, she went to UCF, she was a hurdler, she's bigger.
Kaylor, yes, Kaylor.
Yeah,
Kaylor.
Kaylor, sorry, Kaylor. Yes,
Taylor. No,
yes.
no, I just saw I
Yeah.
that myself for remember her name. Kayla, yes.
Yeah. Because when she left tech, she was like banged up, bro. When time she did UCF, she a hurdle
Mm-hmm.
and a PR. So I
Mm-hmm.
really talk
We
your
had a
talk.
really good
Yeah.
athletic training staff.
Yeah. Mm. So all right, go back to Auburn now. Forward to Auburn. You see me? Forward
Forward
back to Auburn.
here, not back forward.
Forward.
Forward to
Yeah, not back forward. Forward
we
to
can't
Auburn.
believe someone said that on the can't believe someone said that
Nah
on the
man.
podcast.
Nah man, I say like no matter nobody not pray that man. You see me? So that's how you think set man. Like back foot of them thing there. You know make sense, but it makes sense. You know them thing there.
Real.
What is a back foot? You see
Real.
me? So go so.
Real.
But um it seemed like when you have a close team, it shows them. When you see him like say, yo, not like body
We
buddies,
did.
brother. Like, yeah.
Listen, I feel like that was a trauma band because I'm gonna tell you say
Oh my God.
we us we can't say us. We little
Yeah,
bam
yeah, so
bams get kicked. We
mm-mm.
did I get kicked in the ass. Like weight room was never easy. So I felt like we trauma banded. We really did. We had a very close squad. Cause
Yeah, we
we
seem
are dead
close.
together. We dead together, we win together.
Yeah,
That's how it
true,
was.
true. Who was your most competitive teammate?
Mara. I hope she watch
Or
this.
if she
Mara
understand.
Mara she might. She might. Mara was insane. Like actually insane. Strong as piss, and
Mm,
I knew she was going to be like my main competitor coming in because she was already throwing fire. She was
mm,
part of the reason. Well, her growth was part of the reason why I signed to Auburn. And in signing to
mm.
Auburn, we realized that we competed together at Penn's. That same year,
Oh,
we both won. Like we were both. She was the American champion. I was the Jamaican champion. So we both had us
okay.
walking. So we were like, because we were talking about pens, and
Mm,
I had a video on my phone walking with my watch. So I was like, I was there in 2019. Were you there?
yeah.
So I had a video in my phone of a little boy walking. Turns out that little boy was her brother, and she was like, "Wait, that's my brother." I must say, "That's your brother."
Small world,
I
yo.
said, "The world is so small." So yes, so yes, and then it started come back to memory. I was like, oh, you were the little girl with the headband because there was a little girl with the headband. So I was like,
Yeah.
oh, that. And she was like, yes. But yeah, coming in at that time, I think she signed to Auburn throwing like 46 meters. And at
Mm.
the time of me signing, she got up to 56.
Nice.
And then shot put was the same way. She came in at 14, got up to 17. Weight was the same way. I think her first weight throw was like 16, got up to 21. So I was like, that man, you know what I do. And I also like the
Yeah.
fact that no two throwers look the same. That's a one thing when me look
Hmm.
for. Because me not say me not look like every other thrower. So I
Hmm.
wanted someone who was able to coach me for me and not make me look like somebody else. Like work with
All
my
right.
strengths and build up
All
on
right.
my strength.
Explain that a little bit because, again, as me I said, I don't know about discuss throws, but it all look the same. I'm just going to ring, I'm spin and throw. I'm not gonna lie. So like, what the difference between what you see, what we not see?
Well, essentially it is the same movement, you're doing the same things,
Mm.
but everybody does the same thing but it looks different.
Yeah,
So I didn't want someone who was going to or who
like a one
wanted
side
me
footer.
to do something, yeah, like a one size fit all, to do something similar to somebody else, and
Mm.
with my anatomy,
Knock
me
knee and
could
them thing.
physically
Yeah,
do it.
yeah, yeah. Me know what you mean. Me get what you mean.
real,
Yeah, yeah.
actually. So me could do it because with me not need them, a lot of things look differently, especially lower body. Because
Mm.
my knee not straight, so it goes so
Yeah,
if me turn my foot so it a go look like me a overturn, but me not
yeah,
really a overturn. You know them way there?
yeah. Me know what you mean.
So
Me know what you mean.
so yeah, I really did not want a one size fit all program
Yeah, program.
at
Okay.
all.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. All right.
So he was very good about that because you can
Yeah,
tell none not two children look the same,
yeah. I
and
mean,
that's one thing that I really loved about
so
the
so
Army
me ask you,
program.
like, in most of your videos, them, yeah, like squat down. What is that for? What
Start
that for?
lower.
Yeah.
Honestly, it just helps me not to rise
What do
in
you
the
mean?
throw. Oh, me can explain this. So throughout high school, I had a problem with extending my knee too early.
Mm-hmm.
So out of the back, most showers like me can't really do it with
No,
sitting down, but
talk with that. Tell me that.
yeah, most showers look like the knee is bent, it's low, and them
Yeah.
are reach over.
Yeah.
Me know when me used to start, so me used to extend my knee in the movement, so I didn't stay low. I rose.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So to prevent me from doing that,
Mm-hmm.
my head was alright. Start low, stay low.
So you had to do that from like high school. I mean, from like UCFR from high school, late high school.
From high school, I was pretty much
Okay.
starting that way since high school. How I had my upper body has changed, but my lower body has pretty much been the same.
And is that a bad thing?
No, it's not a bad thing. It can be
Because
a
like,
bad thing if you reach 60 meters.
that's true. That's true. That's true. That's true. That is true. That is true.
It was just
Because me,
to help me because you see a lot of throwers start tall and then them sit down like them by the time them start the throw them they're very low.
oh,
Me couldn't do
yeah, yeah.
that. So me just have to
Okay.
start low.
Yeah, yeah. Levels to this thing, man. Isn't it? I know them way them, man.
hmm
Yeah, I know
So
them.
once again it goes back to like understanding how your body works and all of them something. But
Yeah.
know me could have dropped low enough, so I just start low and work with it.
Okay. Cause me know say one thing we do know about throwing is like it's a lot of hip movements. You see
Mm-hmm.
me? Like boom, like I feel to sit up. Boom. You see me?
yeah.
Like we can feel
Yeah.
me out like yeah. So that me I wonder like how that work. Is it because you good on so
Mm-hmm.
like that not too low for you like because I just feel like say oh, because center of gravity there, right, in your stomach area, right, Adrian.
Mm-hmm.
But then you go lower. You see me, and if you go like black, me never really understand why that is.
But if I
You
think
see me?
about it, the center of gravity no really change if you go lower. It change if you like lean forward.
That's true. Good point.
So
True.
getting lower, your center of gravity is
That
still
is
there
true.
once your body upright. But if you come so, the center of gravity they change. If you lean
Change.
back too far, that
Mm,
change. So being low
mm, I think
not
anything.
really affect it them way there.
See, I teach me something now. Yeah, teach me something. No, for real, for real, for real. Yeah, for real. Interesting. Very interesting because as a sprinter, low is bad. If your hips low,
Yeah.
that's yeah, because we attach. All right, let's not say we attach. What I learned was that, like, if we are if we are sitting, like if we are run and we sit down low, so we consider that our
Mm-hmm.
center of gravity is low, and that gonna make we like stay more to the ground. But if we
Mm-hmm.
up high and high,
But
blah blah blah, isn't
pause.
it?
Hear what you say? You hear what you say?
Mm.
You stay low to the
What we
ground.
say?
As far as we want to stay low to the ground.
Oh, see, I thought y'all
Yeah,
wanted to like
because
go like.
so everything starts from the ground up. So in doing biomechanics, I learned a lot about ground reaction force.
Mm,
And that kind of changed my perspective on how to get force from get it up the food chain. Because
mm-hmm.
it starts from the ground and then it transfers into your arms.
Mm.
So the lower you are to the ground, the more you can stay upon the ground, the more you can drive your foot into the ground, get that hip turn there, and the faster your right arm are gonna be. The
Um,
faster you can release the disc. So everything
okay.
starts from the ground. That's
Yeah.
how I do it. Everything starts from
Yeah.
the ground.
I mean, yeah, a scientist, you know what I mean? It's me, so yeah, you must know. You must know. That's interesting, no? Very interesting. Because no, me, I think more like Valerie, because Valerie not go low as far as I was just like you take
she is.
personally. She
She
is.
is. You see how she start? You have Valerie
Actually, yeah,
Alman, right?
yeah, yeah. Actually, yeah, talking,
She
but you,
starts very tall, but she drops. And when she drops, she drive across the ring and she stays low until she releases the discus there.
mm, you might right. And true because she told me, I look on different,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But she starts tall, but once she starts, she got sit, shift her weight,
Yeah.
drive to the middle.
Mm. So you think height affects like your throw? I mean, it can't change, I'm just ask, like,
I don't think I don't think height does, but I think wingspan does.
Mm, mm,
Having long livers. Cause me wish my and them I have pretty long arms,
yeah,
but my wish them a little bit longer.
longer. Okay. So you feel like you'd have throw if it a little bit longer. With the way you have your body composition right now, how much
Mm-hmm.
difference would it make?
If me do the right things,
Mm-hmm.
I get my technique down to a T, I could easily have 5 more meters.
Okay.
Guarantee.
So right now, I mean, you want to say your first season, but like your first season, like you don't think you can get the same 5 meters then without the longer arms?
Honestly, I think I could. I do think I could. Especially with the coach that I have now, because Evil is no longer in Auburn. He's at Oklahoma now.
Oh,
Um, we now have Joe Riccio.
mm.
He coached the 2025 national champion from Fresno State.
Oh, nice.
So in working with him,
Mm.
his philosophy is a lot different from Ebel's,
Yeah,
but it works because I've only been training for 7 weeks ish. I got 8 weeks now.
yeah.
Because me decided that me I take 6 months off. For the 6 years I did in the NCAA for me I take a month. So
Why?
I took. 6, I don't know. I don't know why I do that.
I know it.
But I honestly feel like my body has been through so much that I needed the break. I
Yeah,
did need a reset. So
yeah.
it was partially resetting the physical and the mental.
Mm-hmm.
Plus, I had a lot of bad habits that I wanted to unlearn. So I did I try and make my body forget.
Okay.
If
Yeah,
that
yeah,
makes sense. So
yeah.
now coming back and learning his philosophy, my body is actually doing a lot of things better than what I was
Mm,
doing last year. So
okay.
in the 7 weeks, I've seen so much progress and I'm so excited.
Yeah,
But the back of my head, I'm like, boy, 6 months was really a long time. Do you think you ever can come back? But we'll see. We are work the system.
yeah. I mean,
We are
yeah,
show up every day.
yeah, yeah. Broke down wall. Is me. So there's that. There's that. But you know, we now come so far and not talk about TikTok. We have to talk about TikTok. All right, yo.
Ah, right,
Listen, no. We have to talk
right.
about it. We have to talk about it. I want inspire you to start post much more on TikTok, yo. What going on with this? Hmm?
Peer pressure.
Mm-mm.
That's how I, that's
Mm-mm.
how I started TikTok because there was a point in time where almost every day somebody would tell me, say, say I have a really good personality. I think you
Yeah,
should do content.
yeah, for
So
real.
I was like, I don't know about that because I like take picture, but me really and truly do like sit down and like talk in a camera, all these things. But it was funny because the first person to have said something said, me look like a podcaster, like me have a podcast vibes. I'm like, me not like chat so much with them.
A long time we are chatting now. That's why I know that a long time we are chatting now.
I love time we are chat with you. But me I said, me not really and truly not like talk so much. And then I'm like, even if I post content, what me I go post? And
Whatever you want,
then
whatever you want.
real,
Yeah,
real. And
whatever you
then
want.
yeah, I just decided. But peer pressure started. Everybody say you for make content, you for make content. So I say, alright,
Yeah,
me go make some content. Not apart from my back.
yeah. Me like them, me not like. Me like them. Me like them.
Me I try my
Yeah.
best. Me I
Them
try.
funny I can say are you not like force it. You know, force it at all. Yeah, force it at all. But I the sound them really I get me. I the sound them I get me. Not the lie, the sound them I get because you know,
Honestly, the most of the so like the vlogs I hear the voiceover, so like the very first video I'm gonna post and the other one I'm gonna post I'm in the gym.
mm,
I'm roommate Dani. She's currently at SEC's. Big up herself, showing her PR.
yeah.
Yeah, last night,
Nice.
7.91.
Nice.
Big up herself. Jamaican too, say, say, yeah, for,
Yeah, yeah, for yeah. See me, I don't know anything set, man. Yeah,
See, I feel, I'm a green, I feel rep
yeah.
rep.
I think I through your labor right, but what go through. There's no branding on there. I don't know if that's Jamaica. I don't know.
But I run out of Jamaica shirt because I wear the whole of them during the week. But
Yeah,
yes, I'm a teammate, so roommate, teammate, whatever you want to call it. She
yeah.
you do the voice over them and she naturally funny. So I say, alright. I
Man,
just
you
give her the
naturally
phone
funny
and
too.
say, give her the phone and I say talk.
Nah, man, you naturally funny to you. You have vibes. You have vibes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have vibes,
Thank
man.
you.
You have vibes, man. For real. And one thing with it, you're not shy. You feel like a shy, but you're not shy. You feel like a shy, but you're not shy.
No, honestly, a lot of people tell me that, but I promise you,
Mm.
I'm the shyest person until I get comfortable.
Oh well. Thank you, I guess.
Yeah. You make it
Yeah,
easy. You
thank
make it
you, I
easy. You make it
guess.
easy to turn.
Yeah,
You make it
no.
easy.
Yeah, but me I tell them read the content, me not tell them lie because let me tell you, we don't see the throwers them. We don't see the throwers them. We barely see the run them, but we definitely not see the throwers them. But yeah, man, if you see
Mm-hmm.
at the funny night, yo, nice.
Me I try work it, man. Me I try work it.
Yeah, man, let's go on to the same, man. I easy 1-3, man. That's me. You never know what can happen, you know. You have no idea what
Real,
can happen. No idea what can happen.
real.
Let me ask you, we're more proud of the throwing over 60 meters or your TikTok?
The 60 meters.
Oh no, no, the TikTok. Because here why you see TikTok, it'll get you out of your comfort zone.
That is
Yeah,
true.
the 60 meter was bound to happen. That is a given. But the TikTok,
You're
the
right.
TikTok.
You're right.
No, I'm
You're
wrong.
right.
Listen, it's just whatever me want to do. I'm just saying. Yes, I mean.
You're right.
But
You're right. You're right. That's a good
how the
point.
60 meter, how the 60 meter did feel though?
It did feel like, honestly, it was like a sigh of relief because for a long time, like you can do something, but it just nah happen.
Yeah,
So to have it finally happen, I was like, some actually don't do me. Like, me can do this, me can throw far. Yeah. And something
yeah,
did feel outside of
mm,
all of the excitement and like me actually become a first team All American. Like,
yeah.
me
True,
actually chose 60 meters. It
true, true.
was a breath of fresh air because me did really start believing that someone do me and me can't do it. And someone did feel at one point. But
Mm-mm.
and it's so funny because I remember opening that outdoor season. I opened it with what 51 meters. I'm a fight for that 51 meter. I must say fight. I mean fight for sure 51 meters. And I was
Mm.
crashing up to a friend. And big up my artist friend Traveler. Just a big up everybody. But
Nah, big up, man. I don't do yeah, man.
big up my artist friend Travelers in the all platforms.
I look for you. I'm telling you, the cat. Tell me your name. I look for you right now.
Travelers. Travelz. Travelers. One of my Instagram posts them to me did use when I'm sang them, the SEC's indoor one. But
Okay.
yeah, him literally do a freestyle pan spot saying how me I got throw 60 meters. I'm never tell him this, but I watch that video almost every competition
Mm.
right before my throw. Like in it must say, no worry, because yeah, I got throw 60 meter. I know say I got throw 60 meter.
Yeah.
So
I tell us,
every
can't
meet,
tell her.
every
Can't tell us
meet.
it was a
Yeah.
given. It was a given. It was a
It
given.
is just a take too like well I'm gonna like put my own timing pan things because essentially I got timing. But
Yeah.
me did me I said no man.
Yeah.
Me I
Something.
lift too hard, work too hard for not touch 60 meter yet. So yeah,
Yeah.
that's how I felt. I was relieved along
Yeah.
with it and happy and all of it.
Yeah. Understand. So I'm going for national team then. When you gonna see you? We need to see you. We need to see. I mean, we don't have to talk about this year, but next year.
Honestly, I really do want to go to Commonwealth. Like, I want to go to Scotland. Like, I really want to go. So, I try
Yeah.
my best. It's not the easiest training right now with the work schedule I have.
Okay.
Oof.
Yeah, because I mean, even that, even them content there, yo, that's so nice. Because
Don't
you have in
worry,
between.
my soul giving a full 24 hours in my life. And when you see it, you know, really and truly, I'm going to be like, why are you doing this to yourself?
Hmm.
Because
So
it's really rough. Really
yeah,
rough.
yeah, but it's the truth.
But when you have a dream, you have to chase it.
Exactly, exactly.
And
Because
don't give up on it.
before me did sign with Adi, imo Adidas. Well, maybe
Hey!
I'm going, hey, maybe
Hey!
I for you, isn't it? That's for you. But before me sign with Bengali Puma, me that work.
Mhm.
I remember one day, me that work I was in there. Bengali, bar I guess. Me one
Yeah.
bartender, you see me? Remember one day
Hey.
yeah, hey, tips though, but you see me? Cause if all else fail, I'm tell you, me a Jamaican, and
Yeah.
yeah, me dey make Olympic team at the time, yes. So,
Mhm.
me I forget my tips them, you see me? Cause me
Yeah.
twang all day about this. When time I see me
Yeah.
not get a tip, a loan patwa. What do you mean?
Accent.
You see me? Loan patwa. Then one day, yo, me get like needles. And me turn up on the shift and I say, yo, this I can't work again. You can't see me I say next
Mhm.
year. No, that it rough. Work
Yeah.
and training rough, yo. Rough.
It is. It
Rough.
is, and it does take a lot. It
Yeah.
does take
Yeah.
a lot. But the key thing is to show up
Yeah. Yeah, that's the most important
and
thing.
keep showing up.
Yeah. For real, man. But thanks to carry along the journey, me not to lie, cause as me I say, me like watch them, but not to lie. If nobody
Yeah.
now watch it, what's the I watch? I tell you the truth. Yeah, man, the
Thank
fun.
you. Thank
Yeah.
you.
And
Thank
your personality, nice. Pretty just like your face, me not to lie. Yeah, it's amazing. See already? See already? The dolly.
Hey, I worked so hard on that picture in the background.
Oh,
Because
oh.
if you know me, I always, when it comes on to me, I go dolly down, I go put on my makeup, I go do my little eye,
As you
whatever
should.
my plan for the day.
Mm.
And because look so good, feel good, show
Grow good.
further. That's
Yeah.
how I always say.
Yeah.
Somebody that will combine the twin of the picture them. So I'm gonna discuss, me use it like a mirror, I'm gonna put
Yeah.
on my little Fenty lip gloss
Yeah.
and
Nice.
snap it and it come out good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, man, it's tough, man. They clean. Clean. Face guard, every one point, man. I tell you that. Yeah. All the picture them clean. Clean. Get dolly done for real,
Absolutely.
man. Even when there a guy
Yeah.
with me, I say, yo, that bro just nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Nice.
And it's so funny because every time I do my makeup, I don't like it during the process. Cause me I said, geez and peas, this look like it too much and it always like it always comes out so good and it comes out so perfect. Especially when I know I have something
Yeah.
important. So like my birthday shoot, that's the best face me ever yet do. Best face. Me did all have to vlog it. Best face.
So let me ask you.
And then the wedding it come out with too.
So me ask, how you learn makeup?
COVID. You see when you sit down in the yard
Mm.
and you can't go nowhere, you don't have nothing to do, you find things to do. So me
Mm.
usually practice for myself and the Kalia that the roommate of me have at the time. And
Yeah.
it's so funny, we come from Excelsior together too,
Eh.
and we're going to use safe together, yeah. So me did practice for she, practice for myself, practice for the girl where you see me go to wedding for, practice
Yeah.
for everybody. COVID.
Yeah, man. Tough. It clean, man. It clean. Clean. Well done. Professionally done.
Thank you, thank
Professionally
you,
done,
thank
man.
you. And honestly, if you don't have to pay your money for it, well, you can do something yourself.
Exactly. You
Yeah.
probably can do it for somebody else too. You never know.
True, true, true. I'm
Yeah.
a sister.
Yeah.
Me never do my no, me never do my sister makeup, but me teach her one and two tricks like what me usually do. Yeah, for
Yeah.
myself. Me should do
Yes.
her one makeup now.
Nice, man. Nice. Yeah, pass on the trade, isn't it?
Yeah, have to. You don't have to spend money when you don't need to.
Exactly. Financially wise, queen. That's all we love.
Yeah.
Yeah. But alright, Adrienne, thanks for
Yes.
reasoning with us today. Man, I like me enjoy this. I know you say you probably think say you not go long, but hey, I tell you when we start chat about it. You'll be surprised. You'll be surprised, man. You'll
True.
be surprised. Oh man, respect man. And me I tell you, I watch. I mean I
Thank
look out for you.
you.
More I don't know how far prayer gonna reach, but I'm gonna pray for you so you can stop long.
Thank
You see
you.
me?
Thank
But yeah man.
you. We need
Respect
it.
man.
We need it.
Yeah man.
We
I
need
can
it.
do it, man. I can do it, man. I can do it. Man, you have just got to beat out Samantha though, cause Samantha,
Hey,
yeah,
let me tell you, boy.
yeah,
That girl named Samantha.
yeah.
One thing she gonna do, she gonna make a team
Hey,
and she gonna throw it her ass.
hey, hey, hey.
She gonna make a team and she
My
gonna make a
gosh. Yeah, man.
team.
My gosh. Jeez, bruh. You have to give thanks here, man, because I tell her, she out there, man. She out
Yeah,
there. She out there.
yeah,
She out there. She and Lolo, boy. Although Lolo do shot put, boy, you get the man say, yo.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah. But we want you out there too, man. Isn't me? You
Me a
can't,
work, man. Me a
yeah, man. You
work.
can't just have dialing pen shock. Can't have dialing pen shock. Come.
True.
Yeah.
Me ready for see some dolly down through as and
Yeah.
if me have to start the treadmill, start
Yeah.
it.
You already started.
I'm
You
ready
already
for the
started.
true.
Alright, thank you. You see me? Now later we go watch
Thank you
some.
for having me.
Thanks for coming. We are talking about better let's say yo me a earth and your son. We don't have to no call up. You see me? We don't have to no call up. But yeah man, respect man, you see me? Go watch
Every
some Big
time.
12 and now boy. Yeah, me know yeah. See
Big
Auburn and
12?
them thing.
SEC, man. SEC. Lego Big 12,
Me now watch
SEC.
this. No, 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 no,
What's a Lego Big 12,
no, no,
SEC?
no, 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 no. Them have better competition, yes, but boy, I know say a home turf, so me have to go there go watch it. See me, I know me have a
Yeah,
coach passes me, so I don't have
that's fair.
all
That's fair.
access.
Oh,
Yeah, it's me, so
sorry. Ah,
it's me,
ah,
it's me.
ah.
But yeah, man, I later respect, it's me.
Bye.